Morning, guys. Back out here in McKinney. Get these townhomes finished up. Get all this dirt moved. There's a lot of trash in these. I get all that pulled out and get that dirt squared out. And then we'll get on to the sidewalk next probably, so stick around. Well, I hit a water spigot. See it there? Caught the end of it with the excavator. That's gonna need a new spigot. So we're gonna let this one sit. There's a whole big pile of dirt. I'm gonna have to get the dump truck brought around here so I can start scooping this one out. So we're gonna go ahead and move over to the next one, get that one leveled out. So I'll probably have a little bit of dirt there too. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Be back in a second. Alright guys, it is 5 o'clock again, and I am out of here for the day. Did not get finished. We got real close. Let me show you what we got. We'll just do a whole walk all the way around. So I got this area cut out, ready for the concrete guys to come in, and there's actually going to be a concrete flume run this whole area. So that's all broken up, ready for them to do their thing. That flume is going to terminate here at the sidewalk, which is the only thing left for me to do, is I still got to cut that sidewalk all the way down. But as you can see, all those retaining walls are all filled in and level, and the stair glides are cut in, ready for the concrete guy to come set the forms for the stairs. Yep. All that's left is this sidewalk. And if you don't remember from yesterday, some great work here on the side. Everything's turning out nice. I don't have a lot of detailed plans on this one, so I'm kind of winging it. But let me show you these two piles of dirt we got going on. So this pile, that's probably, I don't know, 15 yards, maybe 18 yards. This one's slightly smaller, but not much. So that's probably, I don't know, 14, 15 yards. Oh, that is a whole lot of dirt for such a little site. And we still, not this town, we have to come back, but all this area here is where the driveways to the garage and parking area is going to be back here. So all this has got to get cut out and cut down as well. So yeah, that's a lot of dirt. Full dumpster from all the debris I picked up, buried in the dirt. So that's gonna do it for me. I'm out of here. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace.